Hi, kindergarten friends. This is Miss Scarborough here. Today we're doing Uppercase T on page 54. So make sure you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back. You have a proper pencil grip, and you are ready to go. Okay, so we have 2 strokes on the Uppercase T. We're going to start at the green dot, and we're going to slide right across that blue line, lift up, and then go to the middle and pull down straight. Okay, this is a tall letter. It is touching both the sky and the ground, the top blue line and the bottom red line. So we're going to slide to the right, lift, pull down straight. 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 Okay, the next row it wants you to try it all by yourself. So you're going to start at the green dot, stay on that blue line, slide to the right, lift, pull down straight. Go all the way down to that red line. Okay, needs to touch blue and red. Don't go past the red line. Don't make it all squiggly. Slide to the right, pull down straight. I'm making sure that I'm writing slowly so that my T doesn't end up like this. Look at that. I went too far down. I also don't want a T that looks like this, where there's a cross at the top. Okay, that is not what it's supposed to look like. Slide to the right, pull down straight. You're going to do it by yourself again on the 3rd row, and then down here at the pictures. Circle the pictures that begin with the letter T. Okay, they have given you a picture, but they've also given you a label. So you're going to find the ones that start with T and circle them. At the bottom, write the uppercase T to complete the sentence. Slide to the right, pull down straight. You're going to trace the rest of the letters as well, all the way through. Okay, is your line quality correct? Yes or no? Then go back and circle your best T and put an X on the one that you think next time you could do a little bit better. This is Uppercase T on page 54. Good luck, friends!